How to download Windows 11 26H2 from the official website. This is very simple. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. Open a new browser on your device. In the search bar, type in Windows Insider Program and hit the enter button. Now scroll down until you get to Windows Insider Preview ICU. Click on it. So once you are at this place, make sure you log in to your account. If you don't have an account, try to create an account and log in. Once you log into your account, scroll down to the base of this page. Here, click on this arrow to select. Now we are going for this one that says experimental building 26300.895325H2. Once you download and install, it's going to turn to 26H2. So click on this one, then click on confirm. Now that click on confirm, you wait a few seconds, it comes out like this. Select the product language. So click on this and select any language that suits you. So I'll go for English US United States. Click on it, then click on confirm. Once you click confirm, it comes out like this. Then click on this one that says 64-bit to start downloading. Once you click on it, then the downloading will take place in a moment. So come to this place and say that this downloading is going to take about 8 gig on your device. So that's all, guys, on how to download Windows 11 26H2 from the official website. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.